In today's video, I'll show you how to save one of your own projects as a reusable template in Todoist. We've all built a project with just the right sections and tasks, and then wished we could use that exact setup again. Saving it as a template lets you do precisely that. Capture your perfect structure once and reuse it forever. Let's start inside the project you want to reuse. Up in the top right corner, click the three dots to open the Project Options menu. About halfway down, you'll see Save as Template. Go ahead and click it. Todoist takes the entire project, its sections, its tasks, the whole layout, and turns it into a template you can apply again later. When you save a template, you'll get a shareable setup that recreates this project structure from scratch whenever you need it. That's incredibly powerful for any work you repeat: a client onboarding process, a monthly review, an event checklist, anything with a consistent shape. Build it carefully one time, save it, and never rebuild it by hand again. Later, when you want to use it, you simply create a new project from that template, and everything appears instantly perfectly organized. You can even share your template with others, which is fantastic for teams who want everyone starting from the same proven structure. This pairs perfectly with browsing Todoist's built-in templates. Use theirs for common needs, and save your own for the workflows that are unique to you. Together, they turn project setup from a chore into a couple of clicks. Try saving one of your best organized projects as a template, and see how much time it gives you back. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.